I stayed one night at Cebu Tops, one of the most recommended sites of my friends when I got to Cebu. Now, I rode the bus from IT Park, and this was my journey, nothing too crazy. The bus was air conditioned, which I liked, and here is the uphill climb of the bus, which I was a little bit scared, to be fair, because I'm not used to these climbs. But of course, we got there safely, and here you go. You can see that they are still building a lot of establishments so others can also put up their store. And I did mention that I'm gonna stay, and here they have a hostel. It's called Hostel Honeycomb. I reached out to them through Instagram, and you can see the room rates here and also the rules, and you can pause so you can see. And we were given this digital door lock, and here is the room that I got. It has an amazing view. Look at that, amazing. And I don't know why I took a video of this closet. Yes, another closet. Yes, of course I'm gonna let you see the bed that I got. It's very spacious for one person, and of course I'm gonna let you see the bathroom. It has good water pressure, it has good bidet pressure. It's very spacious. Now outside of the room, we can see the activities area. It's very spacious as well, and of course they have the gym. Now going back to Cebu Tops, this is the main attraction. I think they have a lot of food stores in here, restaurants I might say. That's why it took me like a lot of time to roam around. And this is only the first floor, and they have Boss Coffee, which opens even late at night. Now I ate at Tops Cebu, and then I got this for dessert. It was just shaved ice and some Milo in there. And they also have an arcade, which I enjoyed. And the people in that arcade were so nice, and I enjoyed my time there. And of course, I just had to shoot some hoops. I'm not very good at this anymore, and I think this is one of the primary reasons why people come here is the view at night. It is so pretty. People are busking as well, and the city lights, amazing. And after that night, I just enjoyed the view from my room, and also the breakfast that I got from the Dark Side of the Moon, a restaurant down at the Hostel Honeycomb. And I can't forget about the juice, so I took a lot of pictures. And at the end of my trip, I watched Thunderbolts. So this is how I had my lunch with the giraffe at Cebu Safari and Adventure Park. So ito yung pangalawang pinuntahan ko sa Cebu kasi isa ito sa mga attraction ng Cebu. We drove up there. Napakalayo nito pero napaka worth it. You would see this is a very uphill climb. So ito yung Cebu Safari and Adventure Park lobby. As you can see, you can pause here for the park ticket prices. Pwede kayong magpunta lang. So this is the virtual map kasi napakalaki ng Adventure Park na ito. Here is the entrance again with the lobby. As you can see, maraming tao. And ito yung paborito ko. Maraming van na pwede nyong sakyan papunta sa iba't ibang places sa Adventure Park. So of course, yung inuna namin is the birds, you know. And then here are the different birds. And meron pwede kayong magpakain ng iba't ibang birds that randomly are on your head. And marami pa talaga, hindi ko na lang ilalagay dito lahat. And again, ito yung isa sa mga nagugustuhan ko is my free ride. Free ito, guys. For the next stop nyo. So here is one of my favorites is definitely the safari. Talagang up and close ako sa iba't ibang nakikita nyo sa video na ito. And of course, paborito ko na my tour guide.
These are called lesbox. Their name came from the Dutch term place referring to the white spot on their face. So this white spot is actually...
Hey, hello! Talagang random lang ito na may zebra kaming nakita up close, but we loved it so much. Diyan lang siya sa kabila kasi parang pinapapas by niya kami. And nag-hi naman ako, which was I think was cute. And ito, alam kong dinidisturbo namin sila, but we just passed by talaga. And as you can see, ang laki ng enclosure nila. Next stop, pumunta kami sa gobyerno. Joke! Pumunta kami sa mga alligators and crocodiles. You can feed them, as you can see. He missed. This is, wow, look at her. Jump, kay feeling na ako. Hi! Isa sa aspect dito ay todo lakad talaga kayo. and para makita nyo yung iba't ibang mga animals. And dito ko talaga nakita for the first time yung giraffe. Kala namin hindi kami makakalapit, pero this is us running to one of the places na pinapakain nila yung giraffe ng malapitan. At talagang, yeah, we met Fred. His name is Fred.
Ikaw si Fred? Hi, Fred! Hi, Fred!
Isa pa sa mga nagustuhan ko dito sa Adventure Park ay maraming restaurant that you can stop by to eat, and we ate our lunch here. And of course, we also saw the different kinds of chimpanzees and different kinds of monkeys, and talagang random lang yung mga birds that are roaming around. And this is one of the highlight, definitely was the white lion. At nasa tuktok na talaga to ng mountain.
From France, but they're originated from South Africa.
Frenchman, oui.
All male, siblings, and 8 years old.
Oh my God!
Years old.
Yeah, so this is another on our way to the bird show. Hindi pa naman nagsisimula. So, of course, we roamed around a little bit. Talagang magdala kayo ng tubig. And talagang random lang tong, I think this was a llama. A kind of llama. This was also another highlight. We get to meet different kinds, or different capybaras. And wala lang sila. Napaka-chill lang talaga. And at the end of our tour, it was, of course, the bird show, which we enjoyed seeing a lot of different birds. At sa end ng pagpunta nyo is you can ask for your photos here, souvenir shop, and balik na kayo sa lobby. At okay lang naman guys, kasi again, the rides were free, and I enjoyed it so much. Talagang masasabi kong yung 1,300 ay napakasulit-sulit. I went to Cebu Tops and Cebu Safari and Adventure Park, so of course I have to go to the Cebu Ocean Park and Events Theater. This Cebu Ocean Park is just right beside SM Seaside City, and pwede sila ng walk-in, of course, and here are the time of the different activities, and I am gonna zoom in kung how much yung walk-in tsaka reservations. This is one of the things that I wanted to see, the aqua dining. You will be beside a very big wall of just water, of course my glass, and here's the photo booth before you enter the ocean park. And your journey starts here, and I will bring you with me. Ang pinaka-first na makikita nyo is this one. Ang bigat niyan. Pero it's just to prevent the birds from coming out. But we have our first fish that we are to see dito sa Ocean Park. And of course, ang next is yung lorries. Ang dami-daming iba't ibang birds. And you can feed them. You can just ask the staff that is holding the feeds. And pwede naman kayo mag-picture ng iba. Just watch out for the poop. And of course, may reptiles dito sa Cebu Ocean Park. I was scared of them. Pero they were inside cages. And I learned a lot about snakes. And this is my favorite, one of my favorite part. Itong Seven Seas. Kasi nandito yung mga isda na kilala ko. And my celebrity dito, guys. My celebrity. Papakita ko sa inyo in a little while. I was starstruck. Yung guwapo na isda sa Finding Nemo. And then, of course, I also saw Nemo. And, of course, I also saw Dory! Yes, girl! Celebrities to sila. And I saw Patrick, the starfish. And dito na part na to, you can see the animal that killed Steve Irwin. I'm on to you, stingrays. And we went on to the bird show. Dito kayo sa amphitheater, and nagustuhan ko tong bird show na to kasi ang rami-raming tricks ng iba't ibang birds. And I think these birds are very, very well trained kasi sa last show na napuntahan ko. Last, park. And na-appreciate ko yun kasi itong mga birds na to, they went to us, basically with their trainer. And hindi naman sila mahawakan, hindi pwede, pero ang lapit-lapit nila. And I was just starstruck. I love colorful birds. I think it's because I'm gay. Next is pupunta tayo sa mas maraming fish pa. Pero I think this is one of the things that you will see sa mga nagpo-post sa Cebu Ocean Park is itong part na to, para kang si Moses nung hiniwa niya yung Red Sea. Kasi this is like a tunnel, and of course nakikita niyo yung mga isda. Here we are on the Aqua Cafe. Cafe ba itong tawag na Aqua Dining Restaurant. Ang ganda-ganda! Hindi kami kumain kasi we were short on time, and also wala kaming budget. Pero merong ano dito, kind of like a bar. And I think this is one of the things that I loved about this park kasi parang mood lighting yung mga jellyfish. It is so cool when 10 million jellyfish is behind you when you are drinking an alcohol. I think it will send me on a trip. This is where maraming bata kasi may penguin. Pwede ka rin mag-feed ng penguin, pero hindi kami nag-feed kasi may bayad. And this is the part I also love kasi pwede kang bumili ng stuffed toy. This is the end of the ocean park-ish. And I saw Nemo again. And hindi ako makabili kasi dagdag ng luggage, pero this is my favorite if ever I bought one. And just a short review of the ocean park. I enjoyed my time there and napaka-informative. And I think what I paid was enough for the experience that I had. Thank you for watching the vlog.